Today, let us see creating a box plot for outlier detections. So, what is an outlier? Outlier is nothing but your abnormal data points, right? So, for that, we just see how to detect those outlier by using the box plot, by using a data visualization. So, let us see the coding part over there. For that, I'm just importing the necessary packages, which is for data visualization process. So I'm just importing matplotlib, Sabre, and NumPy, and giving alias ID over there, SNS, NP, and PLT. Okay. So after that, what I'm doing is I'm just randomly generating some numbers from my normal distribution. Okay. So I'm just randomly getting some from my normal distribution I'm just getting some random numbers from mean, the average value of your data set, which is 50, and the standard deviation is 10, meaning that most of the values will be fall within 40 to 60. Okay. Why? Because we're just generating for me 100. Okay. 100 is the number of random values. Then after that, what I'm doing is I'm just appending few of my outliers over there. 10 and 100 will be my outlier because all the data points involves near the mean. Okay. So for that, I'm just purposefully adding my outliers over there by using my append function and store it in a variable called as data. Now I'm just creating a box plot for visualization. So from SNS is from Sabre analyze ID. From that, box plot function and data equals to data. And display the title with box plot for outlier detection and show the plot. Okay, let us see what is the output. Now you can see my title as box plot for outlier detection. Okay, title. So next one comes to that, the box which represents the IQR. IQR nothing but the interquartile range. Okay, IQR is the interquartile range which states about the middle of your 50% of the data. Middle of 50% of data. Okay, so that will be the box of it. The box represents that. Okay, whereas the line inside the box represents the median. And the whiskers which extends the non-outliers from minimum and the maximum value. So this we will call it as a whiskers. Okay. So this is the box and these are the whiskers which covers the minimum and maximum values. Those values beyond the whiskers, the dots, you can see it, right? So the dots which can be, we purposefully added, right? So that dots here and here, the down. Okay. So that we will call it as outliers. Okay. So the dots beyond the whiskers are outliers. So I just add purposefully, I am adding the from 100 and the 10, right? So these are the outliers. From the box plot, you can identify the outliers easily. This is the end of the video. Thank you.